Hello guys, today I will gonna show you how to install PPSSPP for free, but sometime it will crash. Don't worry, it's working. Open up Saja. You will need jailbroken device. Wait for it. Wait. And go to wait for it. Okay. Come on. And okay, go to sources, edit, add, edit, add repo that hack your apple dot org, your iPhone dot org. Click add source. After adding source, go to hack your iPhone and scroll down to letter P and find the PPSSPP. Just scroll down. PPSSPP. Here you can see PPSSPP stable. Click install. After installing, you're gonna need to reboot your device. After rebooting, open it up. Click load. I have Dragon Ball Z Shin Budokai 2. Tip: how to download the games. I will make a tutorial how to download games on PPSSPP. I'm just make a tutorial. Okay. You can see the display button is the fast forward. Start new game. Oh, where's the analog? Okay. Where's the analog? Come on. I don't know where's the analog. You will need the analog, and just want to quit. How to quit? Go to settings. Go to controls. Show analog stick. Back. Okay, continue. And show you the game. To make sure it's working. You can see it doesn't have sound. But this game is working. Wait. Yo, fight. What the heck? You can see it's working. Sometimes it will lag. But some games will not lag. Okay guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment, and like, share. Bye guys. Bye. Peace.